Tired of spending endless hours crafting the same emails over and over again? Let's unlock the secret to supercharging your real Geeks CRM by creating custom email templates. First, log into your Real Geeks dashboard. Navigate to the CRM section, typically found in the main navigation menu. Next, click on the Marketing drop-down menu, and then select Email Templates from the options. This is where the magic happens. You will see a list of any existing templates to create a new one. Click on the Add Template button, usually located at the top right. This opens the template editor. Give your template a descriptive name so you can easily find it later then. Craft a compelling subject line that will grab your lead's attention. Now in the text editor, design your email. You can use the formatting tools to add branding elements and personalize the message. Real Geeks allows you to use dynamic tags, like first name, to automatically insert lead information, making each email feel personal. To keep things organized, assign a category or tag to your template. This makes it easier to find the right template when you need it. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, click the Save button and there you have it, a perfectly crafted email template ready to be used. Now you can quickly send personalized emails to leads and clients directly from their profiles, saving you time and boosting your communication.